go.
Acquired. Super kick by Rhodes. Cody, cover. Kick out by Finn.
Damn. I love both of their gear too, man.
Certainly not comforting for Rhea Ripley or the rest of the Judgment Day. Balor looking for a running drop kick. Cody saw it coming. What a warrior this man is. The American Nightmare. On his return to Monday Night Raw here in the main event.
Figure four.
To go to school. Wait a minute. Inside.
Damn.
Turn it around. Double leg by Cody. Looking for the figure four yet again. Kick to the outside. Be careful, Cody.
Oh, here we go now. It's getting interesting now.
Circling a wounded American Nightmare.
Uh-oh, there's Edge! Edge is here, let's go!
Edge is back! The Rated R Superstar!
Let's go!
Edge taking out Dominic Mysterio!
Damn, Edge is giving Dominic the ass kicking that his dad needs to give him. Woo!
The WWE Hall of Famer teaching Dom a lesson or two. Look out, spin.
Hey, another spear, let's go!
And Rhea.
Oh, here comes Mommy.
Rhea Ripley.
Where's Beth Phoenix at to save the day? Hey, there's Beth! Let's go! Let's go!
Emphatic spear. Coming to the defense of her husband. Like she did 2
Let's
days
go.
ago at the Royal Rumble. And keep your eyes in the ring. Cody stalking Balor. Double stomp. All over the peck of Cody Rhodes. And Finn looking to seal the deal. Drum kicks Cody into the corner.
Uh-oh. No way, Cody's winning this match. Here comes Edge. I want to see Edge versus Balor. Give me that match at Mania, please. Please give me that match at Mania. That's it, Crossroads! Let's go. Another one. Damn, we're going 3? That's it. Let's go. Now we need a 6-man tag match. We need Cody, Ray, and Edge versus Judgment Day. We need to make it happen.
Royal family in this business, but tonight I don't know that Cody would get by if it weren't for a little help from his friends. Edge showing up on this.
Man, great booking overall, man. This Raw, in my opinion, was absolutely solid. Great show. Great show. Raw was actually watchable this week. Very happy to say that. Solid show all around.